Whether it is enjoying your favorite movie or series on Netflix, doing shopping from any e-commerce site, or booking a cab from app-based cab service provider like Uber, they all have one thing in common. These apps and sites are run on functions on Java-based applications. Java-based application is also used extensively as server app in banking or finance sector, trading application, scientific application, etc. So naturally, a developer who create or develop these apps and sites based on Java is going to be in demand. If you are one of these ambitious few, watch on as we guide you to a particularly bright future as a Java full stack developer. Today, more than 13 billion devices across the world run on Java, making it the most popular programming language in the world. From web application to software tools, Java is the most universal of programming languages. A Java full stack developer not only masters the coding language, but also learns a unique amalgamation of technical or backend processes and aesthetic of front-end processes in web development. A Java full-stack web developer is a developer with extensive knowledge and expertise in full-stack tools. Have you ever wondered how such a complex and heavy language like Java operates so smoothly and fast? It's because of the framework under which it operates, mainly being Spring framework that provides infrastructure support for developing Java application. Now let us talk a little about Java and its advantages. Java is high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Java is easy to write and easy to run. This is the foundational strength of Java, and that's why many developers program in it. When you write Java once, you can run it almost anywhere at any time. Java can be used to create complete applications that can run on a single computer or be distributed across servers and clients in a network. As a result, you can use it to easily build mobile applications or run on desktop applications that use different operating systems and servers, such as Linux or Windows. Now moving forward, let us take a glance at technologies required to become a complete Java full-stack developer. HTML. This is the most basic and indispensable skill that every web developer should have. CSS, the style sheet that will control the behavior and style of the page and everything in it. JS. This is also a fundamental language required to be a full stack developer. React. It is one of the most sought after and in demand language for client-side framework. It is used extensively writing web apps as well as mobile apps. Java, the general purpose language that has been around for 2 decades and more and is still going strong. JSP. It is useful technology to create dynamic, fast and platform-independent web applications. Servlets. It is used for collecting inputs from user to take out important information from database and also load dynamic content. Now let's talk about the framework on which Java operates. Spring and Hibernate. Spring is one of the most popular and in-demand development framework to run Java programs. Many of the programmers and developers worldwide use this framework to develop code that are high-performing, easily tested, and also can be reused. Hibernate. Hibernate is based on ORM model that provides object-oriented view of Java objects in RDBMS. Java full-stack developer as a career option is very much in demand and offers lucrative and exciting career for the aspirants. The salary of a Java full-stack web developer at any entry level varies greatly according to one's skills and expertise. The chances of increasing in salary package and other perks substantially is very high once you gain a little experience. So here we come at the end of this video. Gear yourself up for the brand new topic in our new video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Ducat India.